but it was not in competition. It's not at 100%.
Durant driving, and he's back! I talked to him after the game. I mean, you're talking elbow, knee, hand, wrist, everything. He was banged up. Beautiful feed from Clay. Diallo has checked in. To Younes, blocked by JaVale. You got that little lefty running hook. And the lob to reward him.
Spectacular.
JaVale McGee used an NFL term. It's called catch radius. He can catch it and hammer it, and a radius around the rim like few others. Got to know who you're guarding, and Clay definitely does. Iguodala down the lane. Steph Curry's one of those people that likes to have fun all the time. Joy, it's a word Steve Curry uses. And Klay Thompson and Livingston. To Younes missing. Durant inhales that rebound. The push ahead, JaVale. Look out! A little differently.
And you do a little more often. Maybe not 36, but you have bigger games.
Iguodala lob. And JaVale's there again.
Good quarter for Durant.
Iguodala. Oh, that's nice. Show, spin, slam. On this team, although JaVale McGee and Draymond are going back and forth right now. And Iguodala rising and ramming that home. Oh, that's the way to play. Tic-tac-toe. And another hammer. He was pretty casual. He's going to shoot another one. And JaVale